Good morning,
Good
students.
morning, sir.
How are you all today?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm also keeping fine.
Very good, sir.
So, students, welcome to this economic class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the date today?
18, sir.
Okay, very good. Let me write over here. Okay? 18th of June. Okay, fantastic. And then, what is the subject?
Economics, sir.
Okay, economics. Okay, then what is the topic that we have been discussing?
Story of village
Dealing
Palampur,
with.
sir.
Okay, the story of village Palampur. Village Palampur. Very good. Then what is the subtopic?
Yes, sir. Modern
Subtopic.
farming,
Yes.
sir.
Very good. Modern farming. Okay. So, students, today, before I tell you something about this modern farming, some more, okay? I'll ask you some questions based on what we have discussed in the last class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you all ready?
Yes,
All
sir.
you all have revised and come. Okay. So in the last class we saw very particularly about the modern farming. How the modern farming is playing greater role in the production process. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
of the use of modern farming
Technology,
method,
sir.
we are able to have more and more production. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
based on that, I will ask you some questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Paul. Could you tell me what do you mean by this modern farming?
Sir, modern farming means using modern technologies like
Yes.
tractors.
Yes, using modern technologies
Yes,
in the
sir.
production process, right?
Yes, sir.
Earlier we were having the traditional method of farming, okay?
Yes,
But
sir.
later on it was, everything was mechanized, everything was modernized, right?
Yes, sir.
And it started all the modern technologies in the production process, and because of that the production went so high.
Very high,
Okay,
sir.
all the tractors, the machinery things, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
cultivation, for irrigation, for harvesting, threshing and all, okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
even we started using the high variety of seeds, right?
Yes, sir.
Then all the chemicals like artificial manures and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers, right? Okay, fantastic. So, now tell me, what do you mean by this HYB?
High yielding variety of seeds, sir.
Yes, high yielding variety of seed.
Seeds.
Yes. So with the use of high yielding variety of seed, we are able to have more and more production, right? Single
Yes,
plant
sir.
can bear much
Much
fruit.
fruit, sir.
Fantastic, very good. Then, how many cities in India, okay, they, first started using this modern farming methods?
Haryana, Punjab, UP, sir.
Yes, Haryana, Punjab, and UP, then Uttar Pradesh, okay, western
Yes,
part of
sir.
Uttar Pradesh. Fantastic. So, students, now after having understood the modern farming and the advantages of modern farming, okay, in the production process, now let us move on to, little further about this only, okay. So, the question in this very class will discuss about that by using all these modern farming methods, question is, will the land sustain?
No idea, sir.
Yeah, so we'll discuss about very particularly about that. Okay, we are having, because of the use of modern science and technologies, we are having bumper production, right?
Yes, sir.
But thing is that by using all these, will the land, will be affected, or will there be any side effects to the land?
No idea,
So based
sir.
on that, we'll study, okay, in this very class. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
could you help me in showing the slides?
Yes, sir.
Paul. Very good. Meanwhile, I put this one down, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you show? Can you all see
Yes,
the
sir.
screen? Yes. So this is, see, we used all the modern science and technologies. Like, see here, the what is called here. This one is fertilizers. Okay,
Yes,
the manures, artificial manures are used for the bumper production.
Yes.
Okay, machines are used even for sowing and even for planting, right?
Yes.
Then tractors and other harvesting machines, okay,
Yes,
for harvesting. See here, urea and all it is used
Yes, sir.
for the plant to grow, okay, fast
Yes,
growth of the plant. Then see, insecticides or pesticides to kill the
Yes,
insects that harm the crop, okay.
Yes, sir.
Medicines are sprinkled, okay. Here we can see many, chemicals are there.
Yes,
Pesticides, insecticides, okay, even the fertilizers, okay. So we are using all these modern technologies in the farming,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So the question arises, will the line sustain?
No,
Line is
yes,
limited,
sir.
it is fixed in nature, right?
Yes, sir.
But when we use all these modern science and technologies, the high yielding variety of seed, the fertilizers, insecticides, the pesticides, question arises, will the line sustain? See in the next slide. So all the farming methods are mechanized and modernized. Okay, seeds, we see different variety of seeds. So everything is, mechanized. In the previous class I showed you about this high yielding variety of seeds, right?
Yes, sir.
So the big question mark, will the land sustain? Is the good point for us to reflect. We are using all the modern science and technologies for the production, okay? But the question arises, will the land sustain? In the next slide you see. Regions, okay, land will not sustain.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
One hand you are having the more production, but on the other hand, big damage to the land. Correct? So regency, intensive pressure on land, telling the land that you have to produce by all means. Now, indirectly we are telling by applying all kinds of modern science and technologies, the fertilizers, the high yielding variety of seeds, okay?
Yes, sir.
All the chemical things and all, we are, applying on the land, and we are forcing the land to produce. Okay, but land will not sustain. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
we need to keep in mind. Land will not sustain. Land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful
Natural.
in its use. Okay, it's a natural resource. It's not made by humans. Okay, it's
Yes,
natural.
sir.
It's provided by nature. So we need to be very careful in using this natural resource. Correct? Then scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have overused the natural resource.
Yes,
So
sir.
scientists have, by their survey, they are able to tell that modern farming method have overused. It is
Yes,
almost
sir.
like a raping, okay? Overuse
sir.
the natural resources. Okay, see further. So the land will produce in its natural way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
intensive pressure you are putting, but land has its own capacity to produce in a natural way. Okay, not in an unnatural way. Okay, it has to
Yes,
produce in a
sir.
natural way. Okay, see example here, very interesting. Chicken can lay an egg once a day. Okay, so if you murder in order to get more eggs, which is against the natural law.
Yes, sir.
One day a chicken can lay only one egg, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
in order to have more eggs, if you want to kill, will you get more eggs?
No, sir.
Cannot. So land cannot be murdered by using all kinds of chemicals. So same thing here we are, the natural resource land, we are almost like murdering the land. Okay?
Yes,
Natural
sir.
resource. In order to have more production. But question, will it produce?
No,
It
sir.
will produce, but then will the land sustain? No.
No, sir.
Correct. Are you all getting?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you see the negative impact of green revolution. I told you in the previous class about the green revolution. Remember?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you understand by this green revolution?
Producing more crops, sir.
Yes, it is connected with the modern farming method. Okay,
Yes,
this green revolution introduced all kinds of modern farming methods for to have more and more production. But negative impact, you see, green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility. Correct, due to increased use of chemical fertilizers.
Yes,
So
sir.
green revolution is associated with what? Loss of soil fertility. The soil will lose its fertility. Soil
Yes,
will not
sir.
be fertile. Correct. Then continuous use of groundwater for the tube well irrigation has reduced the water level, water table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with the use of machines, everything is mechanized. Earlier, we used to have irrigation through what? Canals and rivers, isn't it? But with the use of machine, the water is pumped from the ground, isn't it?
Sir.
The groundwater is pumped and that is used for irrigation. So that way the water will get reduced, which is in the, the water which is in the ground, okay?
Yes,
The
sir.
surface, okay? So that way big harm, okay? So before the development of modern irrigation, irrigation was from the river and canals, but now with the green revolution, irrigation was electrified, machines were used for
Irrigation.
okay? So this is the damage, negative impact of
Green revolution.
Are you all getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is the impact, very bad impact, okay? See, resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up over many years. Once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this soil fertility and groundwater, it takes years and years, okay,
Yes, sir.
to recharge this groundwater and to have this soil fertility. It takes years and years. But with the use of modern science and technology, the modern farming method, within no time, we are destroying the soil fertility. We are destroying the groundwater. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
took so much years. Okay, and within no time, we are destroying that with the use of modern farming methods.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yes. So if we extract them with a great speed, then it will be over one day. So when we extract everything, okay, within no time, soil fertility is finished, okay, groundwater is finished, then what will happen? It will get over one day, okay,
Sir.
and we will have no more the soil fertility, we will have no more groundwater. Then we will die out of hunger, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Then you see here, we must take care of the environment to ensure future development of
Yes, sir.
agriculture. This is the point for us to reflect. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For all of us, we must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. Not in at a time, okay?
Yes, sir.
It must go longer for the future use, correct? For
Yes,
the
sir.
sustainable development, for the next generation. Otherwise, what the next generation will eat? This is a big question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, of course, now we can use everything. Okay, that is momentary. But next generation, what will they eat? Big question mark.
Yes,
So,
sir.
keeping that in mind, we must use this natural resource in a moderate way. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that the next generation also can enjoy, okay, the
Yes, sir.
environment, all the facilities provided by the environment for the welfare of the human beings. The next generation also can enjoy, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think this is the last slide for your, yes. So students, hope you understood so far
Yes,
what we
sir.
discussed in this very class, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll ask you some questions, okay? Just to recapitulate how much you have grasped, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, be ready, I'll ask you some questions just to get the idea. Okay, so what is modern farming method? Already we have seen the previous class, but
Yes,
still
sir.
just to, update ourselves, okay? Update our knowledge.
Modern technologies used for producing more crops.
Yes,
Tractors.
yes, all the modern, farming methods, in that all the mechanical things come, isn't it?
Yes,
The
sir.
machinery things comes for different levels, okay, for the production, isn't it?
Yes,
All
sir.
the modern things, the tractor machinery things, then seeds and all, the high yielding variety of seeds, and then all the chemicals, okay, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, correct? For
Yes,
the
sir.
high production, right? Okay, very good. What is the negative impact of green revolution?
When it is when pesticides and other things are used, it becomes barren, sir.
Yes, very good. You are very right in saying that. Okay. So the negative impact is that, as we saw in the previous slide, that soil fertility will disappear.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then groundwater also will disappear, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then land will not sustain.
Yes, sir.
So this is the negative impact of using these modern farming methods in the production process, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, why do we need to take care of the environment? Why do
Because
we need to take care
if
of the
we
environment?
don't take care, sir, it won't produce for
Yes,
us. It
yes,
won't
yes.
sustain.
Yes, yeah, it is a natural resource, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
It has to produce in its natural way.
Yes,
We
sir.
cannot put intense pressure in order to have more production, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
environment has to be taken care so that the next generation also can enjoy from the environment. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We are not selfish. Should not be selfish. Okay? Only for our use. We must think of the next generation as well. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am quite happy, dear students, for being so patient and listening to me attentively. So this is the home assignment for you all. Okay? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Anyone can read for the whole class.
Why do we need to take care of the environment? Write it in about 500 words.
Yes, it is clear. Why do we need to take care of the environment? Write it in about 500 words. Okay? This is for the personal reflection. You reflect over it and write it in your own words. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, dear students, thank you once again and have a good day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.